Hello,
Hi.
am I audible clearly?
Yeah.
Okay, let
Yeah.
me share. Let me share the screen. Good night, beta. Okay, now you are able to
Yeah.
see the VS Code, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so failed. See, these tests are failed. It is saying these tests are failed.
Yeah.
6 passed, 3 failed. So example
Yeah.
spec is failed and serving HTML reported at this. Okay, if you click this, you will see the HTML report also. If you click
Yeah.
this, you will get the HTML report also. It is hosted into your local. You will see that
Yeah.
report. This much taking long time. Yes. So this is the
Yeah.
report. These are all paused. As
Yeah.
title, everything. And this gets started.
Yeah.
Example spec is failed because we given something wrong. So to show that
Yeah.
pass and fail, I have taken this. And if you can see the screenshots, our interest is to see the screenshots, right?
Screenshot.
So screenshots, where is the screenshots? Where is the
It's in
screenshots?
the
It is,
folder.
yeah, it's in this folder.
Folder.
So if you see how many screenshots files are created, folders are created. 1 second, 9.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many? 9. 9 means 9
Yeah.
tests, 9 screenshots are created. Each test, one folder. Each test, one folder. There could be more than
Yeah.
one screenshots, but each test, one folder. It is
That's all.
created.
Yeah.
Okay. Each test one folder. Verify Google title. See, this is not failed. So that's why only one screenshot.
Yeah.
This is the screenshot. You got it? This is the
Yeah.
screenshot. Google one. This is the Google one.
Yeah.
So for example, if you
Yeah.
go to Chromium hash title, right? This is the one.
Yeah.
So this is, we are opening Playwright website, right? This is the screenshot.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Got it? Okay. Like this, you can do the screenshot open.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need to mention in actually config, isn't it?
We need to mention actually in the config actually to on, right?
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
okay. Now let's go to another command. So we have seen the screenshots clearly. So for
Yeah.
example, if you want to, yeah, here also in Playwright config, how to give also it is I have mentioned here. You can see on,
Yeah.
off, everything. Okay.
Yeah.
And for example, if you want to video on, if you want to do a video on, right? So
Yeah.
this one, you can do video on also. So video on. Let me try this also.
Yeah.
You are interested to see this now? So let's see.
Yeah.
Video on, whether this video is on or not. Okay, now let's run. What is the command earlier we did? Test. That's it. NPX playwright test. But video retain on failure I mentioned. Okay, let's see. Only failure it should
Yeah.
retain. Okay. Okay, let me stop this execution. Whether it is
Yeah.
stops. Control C. Yeah. See, I don't want to like run in all the places. I'll just comment these things. Okay. So let's comment these things so that we can quickly test it, right?
Run.
We
Yeah.
can quickly run. Now let
Yeah.
me go. Actually, tomorrow I will try with a Teams. Do you have the Microsoft Teams in your machine?
Team, my team I don't have. I think it's not here.
You can
Maybe I
install
can
the
add.
free version.
Yeah. Yeah.
So today you try to install. If it is available,
Yeah.
we can try tomorrow with the Teams also. So that Teams we can have
Eh,
a 1 hour. 1 hour we can do.
no, I
No need to
think I am
disconnect
in
and connect.
team. My
You are
husband
in.
is already in team.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, he's already in team. Just now I searched.
Okay, then good.
Yeah, team is here.
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
can
Now
I can search.
Okay, now we need the video, right? Where that video is storing. Mm, yeah, here only,
It
if you
will be
see,
saved in same folder.
yeah, here only those folders are creating. For example, if you see here,
Mm.
now 9:48. Yeah, these are all folders created now. These are all folders
Yeah,
created now. So these are all folders should have a videos. Once it is completed, we'll see. See,
yeah,
attachment, video, attachment, screenshot. Screenshot and video both came. Because we are enabled
yeah,
screenshot and video both, na? So both came here.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, now if you see the result, yeah. See, passed to failed one, click is 0, something. Okay, now if I click here, these are all came, which is failed one and which is passed. This is also failed, everything. Now, if you see, go down, screenshots also, it will show here. Screenshots also, you can see here in
yeah,
the result also. So that time we haven't seen, this is the recording. See, this is the
yeah.
recording, but it is showing 0 seconds. I don't know.
Maybe it's too fast.
Maybe.
That's what.
Hmm. Only one screen and it may be very quickly might be closed. You can try with the some
Yeah,
other screenshot now. So you can see in the result
yeah,
itself, you can see the screenshots and videos also. How it is?
yeah,
It is super, right? You can do anything
yeah. It's a,
with this.
yeah,
Like for evidences, you no need to go and do manually and do that and all.
yeah,
Okay, this
yeah,
is the video. And
yeah,
next playwright test trace on also there. So you can do the trace on. So trace on means it is run with the trace collection, very useful for the debugging failures. So you can see the trace
yeah,
on, we will see that also, but this is to see the debugging. First, let me explain the debug mode. Then we will see this.
yeah,
And after that, run a specific testing a headed mode with okay. All combinations also you can do. We already tried this with the screenshots,
yeah.
video, trace, headed, and all everything. And all the commands I have given in a table also, table format also. For example, if you want to run
That's
in
for
a
the this command we need to use through the terminal. If we are using
yes,
through the playwright config, we just need to give not equal, isn't it? Colon, isn't it?
yes,
Yeah,
colon. Hmm? This is from the commands only. These are for the commands only.
yeah.
Okay, now let's go with the debug mode. Let's go and try the debug mode. Okay, what is the debug mode? This is the debug mode. Okay, we will try with the debug mode. Hmm, let me close this. Debug means, do you know what do you mean by debug?
It's a it's a one by one
No.
step.
Yeah. You can do one by one, line by line execution you can do, and you can see
Yeah,
like what is happening and where it is failing.
yeah,
So you can go one by one. It's if, for example, there's 100 lines or there you ran, we don't know where it is failing and how to find all those things. If you want to see the line by line execution, you can go with the debug mode normally.
yeah.
Got it? Okay,
Got it.
now let me go with the debug mode. Hmm? Let me go with the debug mode. So when you are running with the debug mode here, what will happen, So what will happen, your inspector window will open. Your inspector window will
Yeah.
open. Something is wrongly copied. Okay, running 3 tests using one worker.
Yeah.
You have this eraser link, right? Do you want to share again?
I have. Let me check. It's still working. I have that link. Let me
Okay, just
every
check
can I
it.
let me check. Up to here I can see Playwright. I have that link. It's working for JavaScript. This one. Playwright. Play. This one. JavaScript. Yeah, I can see up to here NPX Playwright test UI mod.
Okay. Okay, now let me go down. This reveal. Okay, this is the one I was showing. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it is showing running this much time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
Debug.
internet
Okay,
slow.
okay, 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 okay. Sorry. So we moved there and we distracted. So what mode we are running? Debug mode. So debug
Debug
mode
mode.
means what will happen? What will happen? This is the inspector window will open. This is the Playwright
Yeah.
inspector. You are able to see inspector window, right? Are you able to see?
Yeah, I can see.
You are able to see now. And again, you are able to see the browser which is opened. You are able to see the browser which is opened also, right?
Yeah.
This is
Oh,
the browser.
it's checking one step like that.
Yes. So, for example, now it is in the step first. First step is five, right? So it is at the five
Yeah.
line number five. So in
Yeah.
this step, what it has to do? It has to open this browser, this website. So for that,
Yeah.
you have to click on this one, step over. I'm putting in my
Yeah.
mouse. Are you able to see step over?
Yeah.
You can use the F10 button also, or else directly you can click on this step over button also. If you in
Yeah.
function key, you can do the F10. So I'm just clicking this.
Yeah.
See, now this is launched this website. Launch this
Yeah.
website on the Chrome. Okay, you are able to
From.
see that Playwright enable and everything. Now only one line executed. You observed only one line is
Yeah.
executed. Now it's go to the next line. I'm just clicking F10.
Yeah.
I'm just clicking F10. So once we clicked on F10, the locator to inspect where it is now
This
is
is
gone.
mainly for how to find root causes, and we can check one line.
Exactly. See, as title, it is checking, but why it is closed? It should not close. Okay, like that, it will normally run line by line, and you can see what is running and which step is running and what is there and all. Okay, just closing this at
Yeah.
this moment. I don't know, it is closed again. If you want, we can run again. And this is the result. You can see NPX Playwright show report also. You can see.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to and some other commands also. So this is the one, and one more command is this command is there npx. Okay, for example, if you want to run with some retries also there, run tests with the retries. For example, if you want to retry, for example, 2 times, you can mention retry 2 times. And specific
Mm-hmm.
timeout also you can do. So if you can mention the npx playwright test, mine hyphen timeout is equal 60,000 minutes. So it will be like a 60 seconds. Within 60 seconds, it will run. If there is execution
Mm-hmm.
is completed, okay. If not completed also, it will end with
Produce
the
error.
execution. And a specific folder, if you want to run with the specific folder, for example, under tests you have a smoke folder again. Under test folder
Yeah.
you have a smoke folder. In that smoke folder
Okay.
you are written a separate test for the smoke, so you
Yeah.
can give that folder and you can run. And for example,
Yeah.
matching file pattern also you can do. So playwright test, just login. If you give the files, it will check whatever the files having the login starts with or ends with or having contains with login. So it will take all those files and run also. This way also you can run.
Got it. We don't need to mention folder path. Just give that
Yeah,
file name.
login. Just login.
Then it will
And
randomly checking all the
all
test
the
with the
all
file.
the tests,
Test
all
with
the
the
tests.
login name.
Yes, all
The
the
login
tests.
name.
Yeah, all the tests under the test folder. Okay, it is not
Yeah.
like a outside of test folder. Now,
Yeah.
and run tests parallelly. If you want to run parallelly, workers is equal to 4. For example, here if you give the workers is equal to 1 means it will run one by one. Workers is equal to 1 means it will run one by one. It is like a sequential.
But
If you
yeah, it like the first Playwright test, then Google test, like that one step, finish
exactly
one step, like
one
that.
step.
If you
Yeah,
give
one.
4 minutes, it will learn together everything. Check.
For example, in our script, right, there is a 4 tests are there. In this 2 tests are there, right? Here we have 2 tests. If we have a 2 tests, you can make it as a 2. So that like this and this will run parallelly. This and this will run parallelly. Got
Mm-hmm.
it? So it won't waste the
Mm-hmm.
time. So because these two are not
Yeah.
dependent, this is like different, this is like different. So it will run it
Yeah.
parallelly. At that time we have to do. For
Yeah.
example, there is a like a 4 tests are there. You can do the 4 also, workers 4 also.
Yeah.
Got it? And
Yeah.
for you, okay. Now one more thing is uh, run only failed tests from the last run. For example, if
Mm.
you ran and it is failed. So next time, if you
Yeah.
want to run only the failed tests from the
So the
last run,
test.
in
Oh.
that case, you have to do the hyphen hyphen last failed. This command also
Fail.
you can use hyphen hyphen last failed.
Yeah.
And for example, you need the HTML report, you have to give the hyphen hyphen reporter is equal to HTML, right? So if you are not
Yeah.
giving this command also default, it is giving the HTML report. But
Yeah.
if you give also it will come. For example, if you give the list reporter, some different types of reports it will give. Some different types of
Yeah.
reports also it will give. For example, we will try this whether it is working or not. I haven't tried. Let us try. Different report. In this case, it should not give the HTML report. It should give the JUnit report. Why this is means? Yeah, this is different. Hmm. I will check it actually why this much time is taken. We'll try any other
Yeah. Maybe
options.
it's because of the internet.
I don't know. Let me check tomorrow. Free time. Any other
Yeah.
options I can fix it. Is it same time, same thing for you also in your mission?
Oh, I didn't try A, yeah, because yeah, I need to try one by one.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah,
yeah,
just
Playwright. Which one is sending your report? Yeah, sending it, taking yeah. Which
okay.
list report?
Yeah, this is the JUnit one. So test ID. So report is came like this. If you see, report came like
Control C.
this. Report came like
Let,
this.
let me see. Okay.
No need to see now. You try it later. Okay. Let me finish.
Yeah.
So JUnit
Yeah.
means like this came. Okay. For example, if you do the list
Yeah.
means it will be different. So all these options,
Yeah.
whatever you are interested, you can see. Okay. At the
Yeah.
end, I want to see something like UI. Okay. Some UI option I want to try now. Okay. It will
Test
open.
you.
Yeah. If you see what
Yeah.
is a UI mode. What is UI mode?
Right.
This opens the
UI.
Playwright Test Runner UI in your browser. Playwright's Test Runner UI. Whether it will work or not, I haven't tried. Let me try here.
Yeah.
Test Runner should open actually. Playwright Test Runner. Test runner is opening. It is open left side. I will show here. Yeah, see
Okay.
Playwright. Uh, so this
Yeah,
is the browser
got it.
open, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Playwright test. This is the test runner actually. This is called the test runner. If you see what is there here, tests, right? Example
yeah,
dot spec. This is the test. This is the test.
yeah.
In this is the one. Okay, this is the one thing, right? Which is the test, and
Yes.
this is the step. This is another step, and these are all things you can see. Okay, these are all
Yeah,
things you can see here. This is called the test runner. So view all test
yeah,
files and tests and run individual tests by clicking and debug tests
yeah,
interactively and view screenshots
yeah,
and videos and traces, inspect the
yeah,
test steps and rerun failed tests, filter tests by name, watch test execution live. So everything you can see with this.
yeah,
Got it? Everything you can see with
yeah,
this. Okay, let's
yeah.
stop this. Let's stop this. Let's stop this. So in depth, a little bit more. Tomorrow we will try other options
How we
also.
can stop if you don't, if in the middle of the run, we don't want to run. We thought, oh, it's wrong. How we can stop it?
Okay, to stop the test in middle, right? This is what you need.
Yeah.
Control, CNTRL, control plus C, CTRL something.
Control plus C.
CTRL
Okay.
plus C, control C, control plus C.
Yeah.
Always you can stop in middle whenever you want, like this. That is the
Yeah.
one command I have written. Right. So like this, you can do all these options also. And tomorrow we will try to start some other example, scripts also. Okay. So one by one, how to write the script. For example, you saw some just sample codes only, right? So just how to
Yeah.
fill, how to the manually we will write and see few of the things so that you will get practice. And the second thing is
Yeah.
in the parallelly you need to understand how to do the object identification also. So get by role or
Yeah.
get by label, get by ID, right? And CSS
Yeah.
expert. So those are all things also parallel we will see. So those are the few days it will sessions. So that is the main thing in the playwright. You need to understand how to identify objects, how to
Yeah.
write the code, right? How to run, you understand already. So how to validate, what are the things you have to validate. So that is the main thing, right? So that will go
Yeah.
few days. So that is the
Yeah.
most important. You have to do that. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Any questions?
Okay. Could you please send me last three videos?
Yeah. Last three videos also I will share. Uh, yeah, today's video once it is created. So after the
Yeah.
our class is over, it is taking 5 to 10 minutes to generate the video, full video.
Yeah.
It is not generating immediately. So that is why every day
Oh.
immediately I'm not able to send. So
Yeah. I
today
mean, the
once,
team we can save it the self isn't it? Maybe I
yeah,
will join team tomorrow. Team, I have
yeah.
team tomorrow, but I don't know how to find you.
No, I will give you a link so that like
Yeah.
just you can click on that link. It will ask to log in with the Teams in your
Yeah.
machine. So while you are logging, it may be asked to which login you want to log in. Without login also you can join. If
Yeah.
there is an option to without login, you can join it. If there is an option with login, you can log in with your option.